Investing in stocks is one of the most reliable and efficient way to build wealth in the long term. Okay? So here is a beginner-friendly guide to get you started. Stay tuned. So number one, the first thing is to understand the basics. Understand what a stock is. Understand the difference between investing and trading. Alright? So what is a stock? Let me know in the comment section. Alright? Make sure you understand all these things before you start investing. So the second thing before you start investing in stock is to set a strong financial foundation. Okay? The first thing is set out an emergency fund for yourself. In case anything go wrong, you have an emergency fund. Number two, make sure you pay off any high interest debt. Any debt taking so much interest from you on a monthly basis, make sure you want to clear that off before you start investing in stocks. And the third thing is decide on the amount you want to invest regularly. That is very important. Okay? So after you're done with all that, the third thing, number three, is to open your brokerage account. Okay? Choose a very highly reputable platform that offers strong customer support. Very important. Strong customer support, and they offer very low or no trading commission. I recommend you one platform, the one I personally use, Trading 212. Very, very, very reliable. Okay, there are many other platforms, but this is what I use, and I can tell you they are very reliable. Trading 212. I'll put the link in the description. Okay. Number four, consider investing in index funds. Okay. So what index funds does is they spread your investment across different companies. Instead of choosing an individual stock to invest in, start investing in index funds. This guarantees long-term profitability. Okay? So an example of an index fund you can start investing in is S&P 500. Alright? There are many of them out there, but I recommend this one. This is something I personally use and it's helping me. So you might want to start in that. And then before you now diversify your portfolio, you start investing in individual stocks. Okay? Number five, invest regularly. Okay? Use what we call dollar cost averaging. Alright? That's investing fixed amount constantly. For example, $100 every month or $100 every week. Okay? This helps you to suit out or to beat what we call price volatility or market ups and downs. If you invest regularly, you are able to beat that in the long run. Okay? Rather than timing the market, invest regularly. Number six, diversification. Diversify your portfolio. Okay? Avoid investing in one industry or one company. What I mean by that is you can invest in technology, you can invest in commodities, you can invest in companies dealing with healthcare, okay? The big tech companies. And then you invest in the energy sector as well. So diversify. Companies having to do with all these sectors. Diversify. Do not focus on one industry, okay? So this helps you to reduce your risks in the long run. When you diversify, it helps you reduce risk because a failure in one sector, you can easily catch up with profits made in the other sector, okay? Number seven, think long term, okay? The stock market fluctuates. That's something you cannot avoid. But historically, it has rewarded people who have stayed consistent in the long run than people who try to time the market or trade randomly, okay? So stay consistent for years and you will definitely make a fortune out of the stock market. The stock market has created so many millionaires and billionaires in the long run, historically, okay? So think long term. Number eight, reinvest your dividends, okay? If your stocks pay you dividends, you might want to reinvest them. This increases your profitability in the long run through what we call compounding, the compounding effect. Okay? Instead of taking out the dividends, reinvest it. And in the long run, you're going to find a very, very huge profit. All right? And number 9, avoid common beginner mistakes. Okay? Do not chase hot stocks. Do not try to time the market. Do not invest based on social media hypes. And above all, do not panic during market declines. Okay? And to wrap it all right, remember all investments carry risks. Okay? So try to diversify your portfolio, maintain a long-term mindset, do not panic during market decline, and maintaining a long-term perspective are all strategies that have helped investors historically to pursue growth while minimizing risks. So thank you. If you've watched up to this point, mean you did find this video interesting, please do not forget to hit the follow button for more and drop a comment. And I'm going to put a link in the description, okay, to Trading 212. This is an investment platform I personally use and it's very recommendable. So if you want to kickstart your stock investment journey today, click on that link and create your own account with Trading 212. Thank you.